AS. Mr. Chair, for today's agenda items, we have 2 submission and opening of bids, 1 pre-bid conference, 3 bid evaluation report, 1 presentation of post-qualification report, and 2 pre-procurement conference. Permission to proceed po for the first agenda item.
Please proceed.
For the first agenda item, Mr. Chair, we have a submission and opening of bids for the project supply and delivery of self-contained breathing apparatus, refilling machine for various airports, ADMS project. Permission to admit the bidders for this project, Mr. Chair.
Please.
Yes po, good morning, sirs. For the record na lang po, kindly state your name and the company you represent po. Sa mic na lang po. Thank you.
Leo Emmanuel M. Valenciano, Sales and Marketing.
Mark Blanes po from Renla Trading.
Thank you po. Sir, kindly confirm na lang po if this is your submitted bid po.
Yes.
Yes po, thank you. Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening of the bid.
Yes, sir. Yes po.
Sir, proceeding with the opening of the technical component. Inside the envelope is a folder with tabbings, signature on each and every page, and with pagination. Checklist, please.
Checklist, valid PhilJobs registration certificate.
Certificate of PhilJobs registration, valid until October 11, 2026, with 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. DTI certificate, expiration date, February 11, 2031. Mayor's permit, expiration date, December 31, 2026. Tax clearance, expiration dates, September 15, 2026. audited financial statement, date of filing, April 14, 2026. Submitted.
Statement of the bidder, single largest completed contract.
Statement of the bidders, single largest completed contract, signed, submitted.
The prospective bidders, computation of net financial contracting capacity.
NFCC amounting to 123,008,368.95. Signed, submitted.
Statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts.
Statement of the bidders, all ongoing contracts, signed, submitted.
If applicable, joint venture agreement.
Not applicable.
Bid security.
Bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, signed, notarized, submitted.
Technical specifications.
Technical specifications with compliance statement, signed, submitted.
Omnibus warrant statement.
Omnibus sworn statement, signed, notarized, submitted.
That's all for the technical component, Mr. Chair.
Third chair, the technical component of Renlet trading is initially rated as passed. Proceeding to the opening of the financial component.
Before we open the financial component, Mr. Chair, we only have one bidder for this. Okay.
Financial component with tabbing, pagination, and initials on each page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Price schedules.
Price schedule, signed, submitted.
If applicable, certificate of domestic preference.
Not applicable.
Original and duly signed financial bid form.
Financial bid form in the amount of 3,202,750 pesos with no discount and below the ABC. Signed, submitted. Mr. Chair, the TWG recommends for the evaluation of the Mr. Chair, the TWG recommends to conduct the bid evaluation of the submitted bid proposals of Renlet Trading for consideration, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation for the conduct of bid evaluation on the initially rated as passed proposal of Renrev Corporation Trading.
Okay. Okay. I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Sirs, i-update na lang po namin kayo regarding the evaluation of the bid po. Thank you po. Thank you for your participation po. Mr. Chair, proceeding po sa next agenda item, we have a submission and opening of bids for the project supply and delivery of 326 pails aqueous film forming foam AFFF 3% solution for various airports. Permission to admit the bidders for this project, Mr. Chair. We received 2 bids for this project, Mr. Chair. Good morning po. Kindly state your name and the company you represent na lang po for attendance purposes. Sa mic na lang po. Thank you.
Good morning all po. Lawrence Urido from Mega Precision Corporation. Thank you.
Same lang po.
Good morning po from Mega Precision, Charlotte Ang po.
Good morning po from MPM Safety Industries Company po. Anthony Alfaro po.
Permission to open the bid proposal
Please
of
proceed.
MPM.
Kindly confirm na lang po if this is the bid you submitted. Inside the envelope are two brown envelopes labeled financial component envelope and technical component envelope. Proceeding with the opening of the technical component envelope. Inside the technical component envelope are the duplicate copy and original copy. Proceeding with the opening of the original technical component envelope. Technical component, no tabbings, with pagination and signature on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist, valid field reps registration certificate.
Certificate of Field Jobs Registration issued to MPM Safety Industries Co. Valid until March 19, 2027. With 3 pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Submitted. Certificate, registration date, February 17, 1994. Mayor's permit, expiration date, December 31, 2026. Tax clearance, expiration date, February 27, 2027. Audited financial statement, date of filing, April 14, 2026. Pickup license, expiration date, January 24, 2027. Submitted.
Statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract.
FCC.
SLCC.
Okay, what? SLCC, signed, submitted.
The prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity.
NFCC computation amounting to 540,510,250 pesos. Signed, submitted.
Statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts.
Statement of the bidders, all ongoing government and private contracts. Signed, submitted.
If applicable, joint venture agreement.
Not applicable.
Bid security.
Bid security in the form of bid securing declaration. Signed, notarized, submitted.
Technical specifications.
Technical specifications with compliance statement. Signed, submitted.
Omnibus sworn statement.
Omnibus sworn statement. Signed, notarized, submitted.
That's all for the technical specifications, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, the technical component of MPM Safety Industries Co. is initially rated as passed. Proceeding to the opening of the submitted bid of the next bidder. Sir, kindly confirm if this is the submitted bid. Thank you. Inside the bid envelope are the financial components and technical components. Proceeding, sir, with the opening of the technical component envelope. The technical component has stabbings with no pagination, with signature on each and every page. Secretariat, checklist, please.
Checklist, valid field jobs registration certificate,
Certificate of field jobs registration issued to Mega Precision Corporation, valid until September 27, 2026. With the list of eligibility documents, sex certificate, registration date, February 4, 2000. Mayor's permit, expiration date, December 31, 2025. Tax clearance, expiration date, July 11, 2026. audited financial statement, date of filing, June 13, 2025. Mr. Chair, the TWG would like to note that the submitted mayor's permit is already expired. Permission to continue, Mr. Chair.
Please continue.
Statement of the bidders, single largest completed contract.
Statement of the bidders, single largest completed contract, signed, submitted.
The prospective bidders, computation of net financial contracting capacity.
Net financial contracting capacity in the amount of 956,245,785 pesos. Signed, submitted.
Statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts.
Statement of the bidders, all ongoing government and private contracts. Signed, submitted.
If applicable, a joint venture agreement.
Not applicable. Not applicable.
Bid security.
Bid security in the form of bid securing declaration. Signed, notarized, submitted.
Technical specifications.
Technical specifications with compliance statement. Signed, submitted.
Omnibus warrant statement.
Omnibus sworn statement. Signed, notarized, submitted.
That's all for the technical component, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair, before the recommendation of the TWG po, yung ating representative from Mega Precision would like to manifest something po regarding their bids.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. We have an attachment for the mayor's permit, updated, and the tax clearance, please.
Sir, pa-approach na lang po dito, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, the failure by the prospective bidder to update this certificate with the current and updated Class A eligibility documents shall result in the automatic suspension of its validity until such time that all of the expired Class A eligibility documents has been updated. With that, Mr. Chair, the TWG would like to recommend for the disqualification of Mega Precision Corporation.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation of the technical working group to declare to disqualify Mega Precision Corporation for failure to submit for submitting a suspended field job certificate of registration in view of the expired mayor's permit as indicated in the Annex A of the field job certificate of registration.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
For Mega Precision po, magfa-file po kayo ng MR, sir. Okay po. If magfa-file po kayo ng MR, you have 3 calendar days po to file your MR po. Sa back na lang po. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, proceeding with the opening of the financial component envelope of MPM Safety Industries.
Please proceed.
Incorporated. Inside the main envelope are the financial component envelope duplicate copy and original copy. Financial component with no tabbing, with pagination and signature on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist, price schedules,
Okay. Schedule.
For MPM po, wala po kayong sinubmit na price schedules po.
price schedule, signed, submitted.
If applicable, certificate of domestic preference.
Not applicable.
Original and duly signed financial bid form.
Financial bid form in the amount of 2,409 2,004,900 pesos. And it's with no discount and below the ABC. Signed, submitted. Mr. Chair, with that, the TWG recommends the conduct of bid evaluation on the submitted bid proposal of Mega Precision for the project supply and delivery of 326 pails aqueous film forming foam ARFF 3% solution for various airports for consideration and approval of the committee, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation for the conduct of bid evaluation on the initially rated as pass proposal of Mega Precision Corporation.
MPM.
MPM. Safety Industry. Sorry. Apologies. Again,
Second
Mr.
motion, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Hot water lang.
Just to clarify, Mr. Chair, the recommendation is for the bid evaluation and the proposal of MPM Safety Industries, and that we are recommending for the conduct of bid evaluation on such proposal. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved. Nag-second na yun.
Yes po, second na po yun. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you po. I-update na lang po namin kayo regarding your evaluation po. Thank you. Mr. Chair, proceeding to the next agenda item, we have a pre-bid conference for the project supply and delivery of ID card printers with consumables for various airports. This is CSIS project, Mr. Chair. We will now admit the prospective bidders for this project. For the prospective bidders po of this project po, kindly put your name na lang po sa chat box for attendance purposes. Thank you po.
Good morning, everyone. I will be presenting on behalf of the CSIS for the supply and delivery of ID card printers with consumables for various airports with bid number 265307 Bravo. For the invitation to bid, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, through the corporate operating budget, intends to apply the amount of 13,987,400, being the approved budget for the contract. Bids received in excess of the ABC shall be automatically rejected at bid opening. CAAP now invites bids for this project. Delivery of goods is required within 90 calendar days. Bidders should have completed at least 5 years from the date of submission and receipt of bids contracts similar to the project. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2, Instruction to Bidders. Bidding will be conducted through competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the IRR of RA 12009. Bidding is restricted for Filipino citizens or sole proprietorship, partnership, or organization with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to citizens of the Philippines and to the citizens or organization of a country, the laws or regulation which grants similar rights or privileges to Filipino citizen pursuant to RA 5183. Interested bidder may obtain further information from the back secretariat and inspect the bidding documents at the address given on from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Thursdays except declared holidays and suspension of work. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidder until the deadline of submission of bids from CAAPBAC and upon payment of applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by the GPPB in the amount of 25,000 exclusive of any and all taxes imposed by relevant government agencies. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the PhilJobs website and the website of the procuring entity, provided that the bidder shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat through manual submission at the office from Monday to Thursday on the address indicated on or before July 27, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 14. The bid opening shall be on July 27, 2026, 9:30 a.m. at the third floor Supply Procurement Building Conference Room, Kaap Compound, Mir Road, Pasay City, and or via Google Meet. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend the activity. Upon payment of the bid documents, bidders must provide their respective email addresses to the back secretariat. All communications, including but not limited to notices, resolutions, and replies, among others, will be sent to the email address provided by the bidder or the bidders. The date when such email was sent shall be considered the date of the receipt of the bidders for purposes of complying with the requirements under RA 12009. CAAP reserves the right to reject any and all bids declared a failure of bidding or not award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 70 of RA 12009 without incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidders. For further information, please refer to the contact person and the contact details as shown. Section 3, bid data sheet under eligible bidders. 5.4, the bidders SLCC similar to the contract to be bid should have completed within 5 years prior to the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. And for this purpose, similar contracts shall be supply delivery of ID card printers completed within 5 years prior to the deadline of submission and receipt of bids. 8.1, subcontracting is not allowed. For bid security, the bid security shall be in a form of bid securing declaration with the following forms and amount as shown. 26.5, partial bid is not allowed. The goods are grouped in a single lot, and the lot shall not be divided into sublots for purposes of bidding, evaluation, and contract award. And arithmetical correction is not allowed. For post-qualification requirements, as shown, failure to submit any of the post-qualification requirements on time or finding against the veracity thereof shall disqualify the bidder per award. CAAP shall thereafter award the contract to the next lowest calculated responsive bidder. For the list of additional contract documents relevant to this project, as shown, and for performance security, posting performance securing declaration in lieu of performance security is allowed in this project. And for the forms as shown are the different forms for the performance security. Section 5, special conditions of the contract. For the project sites, as shown, we have 20 sites, 20 airports, including the CAAP main office. And 16.1 for post-qualification requirement, inspection and tests that will be conducted are the following as shown. The inspections and tests that will be conducted shall include but not limited to physical inspection and inventory or whatever test the technical inspection team may require. Section 6, scheduler requirement. Again, this will be delivered to the various sites, 20 sites, 20 sites as shown, and will be delivered 90 calendar days upon receipt of the notice to proceed. Section 7, technical specification as shown for the ID card printers and for the consumables per device and additional consumables. Also, other requirements. Section 8, checklist of technical and financial documents as shown. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
The floor is now open for your questions and clarifications.
Good afternoon po. From Allcard, wala naman po kaming question.
Yes po.
Wala po kaming question.
Any other questions po sa ibang prospective bidders po? Hearing none, we will now close the pre-bid conference of this project po. And for the prospective bidders of this project po, please be informed na meron po kayong 10 calendar days before opening of the bids to submit your concerns or questions po. Mag-email na lang po sa back@kaap.gov.ph po. Thank you po.